In this video, I want to show you some simple but effective ways to clear out junk files from your computer and get it running smoothly again. Junk files are unnecessary files that can slow down your system. Plus, they eat up valuable storage space. So grab your mouse, hit that subscribe button, let's clean up. To start cleaning up your PC, let's begin with the recycle bin. Double click on the recycle bin icon on your desktop. Once the window is open, you'll see a list of files and folders that have been deleted. To clear all items in a recycle bin, simply click on the empty recycle bin option. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click yes to confirm that you want to permanently delete all items. Wait for the recycle bin to finish deleting all unnecessary files stored in here. Next, we will focus on temporary files. Temporary files are pieces of data created by programs on your PC to help them run smoothly. They can accumulate and occupy valuable storage space, potentially slowing down your system. Press Windows key together with R to open the Run dialog box. Tap %, 10% and press Enter. These are encrypted files that were created by apps and programs on your computer. To get rid of them, select all files by pressing Ctrl-A and hit Delete button. Not every files or folders will be deleted because some are still being used by apps or programs on a computer. This cleanup is a built-in feature in your Windows PC. You can use these tools to clear different types of system cache and other unnecessary files. Tap Disk Cleanup to the search bar and click Disk Cleanup from the list of results. In the pop-up window, select the drive you want to clean up from the drop-down menu and click OK. Now, the files that can be cleared will be listed here and you just need to check the items you want to delete. Click Clean Up System Files. Then click OK button to clear all the selected files. Again, click OK and click Delete Files. Wait patiently until the tool finishes scanning this drive. Another source of junk files is your internet browser's cache. Here I will take Google Chrome as an example. Open your Chrome browser. Click the three-dot icon and click Clear Browsing Data. Click Advanced tab. Set the time range to all time. Check cached images and files. Feel free to check other options here you want to clear out. And click Clear Data button to clear all your browser's cache. Now let's move on to File Explorer History. This folder often accumulates files that you no longer need. Click the three-dot icon and click Options in the ribbon. In the General tab, click Clear button in Privacy section. If you're experiencing certain problems during browsing on the internet, clearing DNS Cache is another great solution. You just need to open Command Prompt. Tap CMD in the search bar and click Enter. And tap this command, ipconfig/flush DNS, and press Enter. System restore points can consume gigabytes of storage, especially if you haven't cleaned them up in a while. Deleting them can be a quick way to free up valuable space. Tap Restores in the search bar and click Create a restore point from the search result. On the System Protection tab, choose your system drive and click Configure button. In a new window, click Delete button and click Continue. This operation will delete all the restore points for this drive, and then you can create a new restore point. Thanks for watching. Like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.